Thank you for keeping the introduction very brief because we are running short of time. Dr. Petroda, Dr. Mungekar, Dr. Tes, delegates who are attending this conference, guests, colleagues, students. Actually, I should have been giving the welcome address and Dr. Mungekar should have been giving the presidential address. But so mine is going to be the second welcome address. I'll keep it very short. It's a great pleasure to see you all here. We have already gone through a rather very interesting presentation by the previous speaker, and I entirely agree with her that libraries have to be much smaller. They have to be full of material which is in the digital form, because I tell you, in India we have a very peculiar problem. If you have too much of hardbound material, how to maintain it? How to air condition such huge libraries? So the digitized form is going to help us tremendously. And in the past 2 years, I was told by my friend Dr. Majumdar that we have almost invested 4 crores in subscribing to new digital forms of journals and databases and so on. This is the way to go in future. We have also in this university started an Institute of Lifelong Learning, which is creating e-materials for the students, quizzes. In fact, the leading universities globally are unitary type of universities. They're both undergraduate and postgraduate education within the same campus, and the student numbers somewhere from 15,000 to about 25,000 students and no more. In India, we have very large universities. University of Delhi is one of them. Mumbai University, Calcutta, huge universities with large number of colleges attached to them. So how do we keep our relations going with them? How do we have the best of lectures delivered? How do we have video conferencing between colleges and the university? How do we get all the journals that we are subscribing to the colleges? Because the teachers there, the students are writing assignments, the teachers are also interested in writing their papers, doing some research. So I think ICT is the way to go. Thanks to some of the recommendations which the Knowledge Commission has made, there will be bigger bandwidth available. And as I said, the university is already subscribing to large amount of digital form of knowledge. This I see as increasing tremendously, and I think this is the way in which we can bring these large universities with large number of affiliated colleges, also the open learning, where almost 300,000 students are there in Delhi University. How do we bring them to better education, better access to knowledge? This has to be done through the information technology. Thank you, and I wish you all the best. And I want to congratulate, before I finish, Dr. Majumdar and his colleagues who have worked very hard to put this conference together. I want to thank the delegates who have come from abroad and from different parts of the country. Thank you all for being here with us today.